Hi everyone. As like in previous video, we are going to discuss about the various case studies. In this video, we are going to discuss about the case studies in manufacturing of cars. So in car industries, there will be a lot of drawbacks, a lot of issues we are facing while manufacturing the cars, like fitness tolerance, or designing the electronic components, or designing in aircrafts, aerodynamics, or designing the braking systems, or designing the wheels or nuts or bolts. There is a lot of case studies we are involving in car manufacturing industries. Like, so I just want to get some insights about what are the problems you are thinking in your capabilities. So this video is similar to the previous video. It is an open forum. We can able to discuss the various case studies on particular application oriented. So you may involve some car manufacturing or car industries where the particular problems arises, right? So let us start this video with Varun Krishna.
The theme I took is 3D modeling and CAD models. 3D models are most important in car manufacturing industries. One of the failure models are Tesla Cybertruck, where in the demo of Tesla Cybertruck, they because of the impractical design and windshield problem, when they demoed, the windshield broke for small impact, and because of their impractical design, there was huge problem in their windshield and holders, where there usually will be ice buildup and they cannot open well. So 3D model are very important.
So it is one of the fact where 3D model, the impact measures, especially in Tesla's windshield breakages. So in those industries, the windshield must be strong enough to withstand the wind pressure. So without the wind pressure withstandable, the breeze can be easy. Anyone can speak about the anti-lock braking system or braking failures in car industries.
Sir, I take the electronic system. In ABS also comes in EV vehicles in the electronic components. So components like sensors, ABS sensors, actuators, they are used in ABS system. Especially we need to give more space to ABS system because there are no the link between ABS to wheels. There need more space. Sometimes in recent times there is ABS lockage to lock the wheel.
So you said the design aspect is when there is no space for particular braking system, it may almost get failure, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you give me an example of the recent failure in any cars like this?
In recent past years, there is some recent times Tata Nano something. The car may be ABS recent times failure because of there is no proper designing space between the wheels and the ABS systems. That may cause the brake failure sometimes.
So actually the brake failure is one of the important thing we have to discuss because there will be a lot of persons was not alive, right, because of due to brake failures. Similarly, when you see that brake failures, it always comes in space of speed, right? So the aerodynamics are on the dynamics which we are making the car to move at a faster velocity. So that can be discussed, right? So anyone is interested to speak about that?
Sir, when you see aerodynamics, there are a lot of diagrams that we can use to analyze the aerodynamics, such as the streamline diagram, the vector plot diagram. So these are used to analyze the aerodynamics of the vehicle. And recently, a model named Honda Jazz was failed because of improper analysis in aerodynamics. What happened is the air drag accumulated towards the end, and the suspension that they have used to get really damaged, because when the car exceeded over a certain speed, the drag accumulated into the suspension, and it damaged the suspension really quickly. So air drag is very important when you want to have more control over the vehicle, but too much air drag can be also damaging the suspension systems and creating more pressure in the wheel. So air drag is also important when you want to make sharp turns, because it will keep the vehicle pressed towards the ground, avoiding yawing of the vehicle. and derailing of the vehicle.
It is a well-made point, right? So aerodynamics plays a vital role. So similarly, the electronic parts also plays a vital role, especially in car manufacturing industries. This is the open forum. Anyone can discuss about electronics pages.
Sir, I am here to talk about the electrical side of the vehicle manufacturing industries. I have learned about battery management system, sir. If we go through the past years of vehicles manufactured, we can see some failure vehicles such as Ola's first launch model, which actually caught fire due to improper electrical wirings and improper heat transfers, and also EV vehicles. The first launch models of EV vehicles where they clearly had no idea of what they were doing with the batteries and how the electrical wires were working. And after some R&D and through trial and errors, and only then they have created a proper hybrid vehicles in the, so.
So it is a well-made point, right? So electrical wiring plays a vital role. Similarly, the design aspects also there, right? So Sadish, tell about your points on design aspects.
So in design aspects, where we can take Tata Nano, where it plays a design plays a crucial role in manufacturing and production, and it has separated into four roles of production. In first, they will take a design, where the design engineer will produce the detailed design into a physical layout components, and to using CAD software. And second, it will be as a processing engineers, where they will analyze the design and approve the designs, and and the engineers, third part, the engineers will assemble the products, and finally they will send to the manufacturing out of the manufacturing area to assembly areas, and it will be totally completing the process.
So yes, you said the dimensions not right, there will be no proper survey space in the car manufacturing side. So what is the final view?
So I took on the mechanical side of it. So I particularly took the tire bolt failures. So for example, the Honda company, over 90 or 90,000 cars have been stopped due to the tire bolt assembly failure, because it will detach so easily due to the failure of the dimensions and tolerances and pitch circle diameters also. So in order to design the tire bolts and everything, we have to check the regular parameters and diameters, the assembly, the heat treatment and forging and all. It plays a very important role. Even the mechanical components too. It's smaller components can play bigger, can give a bigger impact in many cars.
Okay, yes, yes, right. This is one of the key points, right? So in foreign, we have seen a lot of tires are moving around, get detached from the vehicle while they are in driving process. So there should be more tolerance. So this is the good communication session with you all. I have got some inputs from you, and similarly, I thought I have some insight about you. So thanks for this nice interactive session. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.